Welcome to Social Work 636, Program and Organizational Development. My name is Anjali Chinani, and I am so excited to welcome you to this course this semester. This course is really exciting for me because it's relevant to the work that I've been doing. I have been working for city government for the last 15 years. I'm also a consultant in the behavioral health field, and assessing programs, their mission, their service delivery, their effectiveness is a lot of what I spend my time doing. I'm excited that you have the opportunity through this course to develop a program proposal. And so that is what we will be building week by week. And you will be assessing the capacity of an organization, the mission, the service delivery, the leadership, the identifying a gap in an organization, and then through your perspective, your expertise as a social worker, and the role that you might play in any given organization, identifying that missing kind of area and what, if the organization had additional funding, what would you like to see happen in that organization so that they can be more effective and expand the level of service delivery that they might be providing for a given community to achieve their mission. So all of that to me is very exciting, and I hope that you also are excited. This class can be a bit challenging for different reasons. So some because it's challenging for some students because they don't like writing grants and it's not something that they want to do. It can be very tedious when you're thinking through a budget. Another reason that sometimes students have challenges is because identifying the appropriate metrics and measurement for what you want to do can be challenging. Searching for a grant can be challenging. So, I think there's all levels of interest, and I respect that. And I'm really committed that every one of you gets something great out of this course, even if it's, okay, I know that grant writing is not something that I'm interested in doing as my career. There are a lot of tools and templates that will support you in this course. I am here to support you in this course. I look forward to getting your questions, talking through the challenges that you're experiencing as you're writing this proposal, and you will make it. You're going to get to the end of this, and I hope that you will be as proud as I am going to be with your final proposal. Just to go over the breakdown of a little bit just at a high level of this course, 40% of your grade is going to be your participation and your discussion. 10% will be part one of your proposal, and there's going to be 3 parts, and it builds each week. The second part of your proposal is also 10%, and then your cumulative proposal is 25%. And then we have your first assignment, which is your organizational capacity assessment, is, I believe, 20% of your grade. And yeah, it's in the syllabus, so make sure you review that, but that's the general breakdown of what you can expect. Outside of that, I also want to just share that I know it has been incredibly frustrating and anxiety-ridden and scary for the last 4 months, considering what is happening with COVID-19 and the public health crisis that our country is facing and communities are facing, the economic recession as a result of the horrific job loss and closures of so many organizations and companies. And then alongside all of that, the broader recognition of police violence and the history of police violence against Black men and women in this country, and the need for new police reforms and addressing institutional racism in a way that we have not been willing to do before. And the protests and civil unrest that have recently occurred because of the death of George Floyd, but really the building of this movement, this revised movement towards you know, civil rights and really changing the social contract between the police department and society. There are new laws and regulations and dialogue that is happening around power and racism and anti-racism and trauma, at the local level, at the state level, and federally. And I think that will absolutely impact our discussions in this course, how you think about your work, how you think about your role as a social worker. And there is such an important role for you to play. So I think that will be very much a part of this course, and really all of the courses that you're a part of as you think about all these questions in your career in the future. This is a space, I've created a discussion in as a part of this course that really focuses on having us share resources and experiences and being able to express ourselves. And so that discussion forum is called Anti-Racism and Trauma Work. I will put in some resources in there that are being circulated by all of us at Widener for our students and for faculty. And you are welcome to contribute to that as well. So again, welcome to this course. Come in with, you may come in with little knowledge about this topic area. Maybe you have experience writing grants. That's wonderful. I look forward to your contribution at whatever level you're at around this topic. And I'm so excited to engage with you. That is all I have for this video. And I look forward to seeing you soon. You'll have access to this course very soon.